Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, how to design gradient letter logo design in Illustrator. So let's get started and subscribe my channel. Firstly, I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Now this opacity getter than 2 less than. Now, I make a circle shape. Again it copy. Now, this color remove. Now, this stroke it. Now use a line segment tool. Then use a shape builder tool. Okay, it is perfect. Now you use a pen tool. It's okay. Now it's 4. It's sum perfect. Now it's. Now it's. It is very easy and simple, so you do it. And it's. Okay, now it's select. Now this path and C letter are mixing. Then I take rectangle shape. Now, this letter color selection. Okay, the video is end. This channel is graphics design channel, so please subscribe my channel.